In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app. Then select or create a chat. And when you're ready, use this plus at the bottom left corner of chat window. Now to record and add an audio file, select audio and start recording right away. When you're done, use this button with a square at the bottom right corner. Now to delete your file, use this X on the left. To listen to it, play button right next to it. And to send it, this arrow at the bottom left corner. Now to add a video file, use the same plus. And to record your video and then add it, select camera. Then pick video option over here. Record your video. And to retake it, choose retake at the top left corner. To attach it, click done at the top right one. If you want to add an already existing video, use this plus at the bottom left corner one more time. Select photos and click on your video over here. Then select done at the top right corner of this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!